Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. I want to share with you guys how I achieve my curly hair look, I guess. So yeah, so I was going to do my hair a couple of days ago, but I just couldn't be bothered, and yeah, so I thought why not film this tutorial and just kind of like make a video out of it. It's content, Abby, it's content. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. You can see I've got nothing in my hair. This is my natural hair as it is. Washed it, haven't really done anything, haven't straightened it, haven't done nothing. I've been putting some products in there to kind of like soften it up. Can you hear the crunches? Can you hear how dry my hair is? Boy. So I did cut my hair a couple of months ago, like towards the end of last year, I think maybe in October, because when I first started doing the hairstyle I'm about to show you guys, I used to literally straighten literally the front half of my hair to blend it all in with the extensions, so I'd be able to like tie it up and have like a updo, and I did that continuously for maybe like for the better part of the half a year, and then I got like really serious heat damage. Like literally the front of my hair was like literally like out here straight, and then the back as well, because I used to do the back as well, so I could tie it up and it would blend. So like I literally had lots of straight pieces. Like you can see when I stretch my hair, it's got a little bit of length to it now. But yeah, like it was literally just hanging. I mean, you guys know what heat damage is like and what it's about, so I don't really need to go into that. But yeah, I just kind of was like tired of seeing that, and I thought, well, if I'm gonna keep my hair natural, I may as well just, you know, do it properly. So I decided to cut it all off again. But yeah, so if I stretch it out, it has got some length to it. It's literally just, ooh. Okay, I've got like, what do you call it, neck length hair. Well, let's see what the back is saying. Okay, the back is considerably shorter actually. Oh no, it's staying the same length. Okay, yeah, so that's going down to my neck as well, so that's quite cool. I might in the future go get like a proper blowout and get like a silk press just to see my actual length, because I've not had it straightened in years. Like I don't know the actual true length of my hair, and I've cut it twice now as well. So yeah, so anyway, I'll get into the video. I don't need to explain much more about my hair, but yeah, this is literally it. I tried to do a little like sweep with the hair, with the baby hairs. But yeah, my edges are struggling, not gonna lie. For the most part, I do like my natural hair. I would wear it out more often, but I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of effort. And I would definitely want it to be a little more fuller. Like maybe if I had like a medium-sized afro, that would be quite nice. Then you'd see me rock it. But I'm not going to put any products in my hair until I'm ready to put the wig on. So yeah, for the most part I'm just going to leave my hair like this right now, and I'm going to show you guys the wig that I bought. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Let me show you guys the wig that I'm going to be using and the products as well, and I'll explain to you kind of like how I actually make the wig and customize it, because I do customize it, and then yeah, final results will be when it's on my head and you'll see the finished product. So hopefully you guys like it. So yeah, so I'm just going to film really quickly on my phone so you guys can see the products. Okay, so I'm now switching to my iPhone. Okay, so these are all the products that I'm going to be using. I love the Cantu, like this, just to kind of like hydrate my hair. I put water in my hair first and I use this, and then I go in with the castor oil as well. You guys know about this, and I use a little bit of ORS hair syrup, as well as the cream of nature argan oil from Morocco, and I really love that, as well as again the ORS hair repair coconut oil, and this smells divine. I actually love this. And yeah, and then I've got all my combs and everything like that. I've got my needle and thread, and I've got the clips that I'm going to put into what I'm going to insert into the wig, as well as my I don't know what you call this brush, edge brush, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, and then I've got like a little band that I actually put into my hair as well to kind of like insert the wig. So yeah, so that's everything I'm going to be using. But yeah, let me actually show you guys the wig. So this is the wig. I opened it up the other day, so this is not actually how it looks in the box. Oh, I think it's even supposed to be this way. So it's the Freetress full cap wig, complete style in 1 minute, and then it's the style Krita Girl, and it's in color 2. So I'll just take that out so you guys can actually see it. Whoa, whoa. Oh, there we go. So you've got a little bit of vision there. If I open it up, this is the hair. This is gonna be my baby. This the hair I'm gonna be using. It's so pretty. It's so soft. Ooh, and I forgot to mention it is synthetic, guys. But when I'm done with this, you guys are you're not gonna know the difference at all. And then the inside, it has these combs. Just feel like it's so tough. It literally bruises me sometimes. I feel like it actually pulls out my hair as well, so I don't like it. So I removed this, and it has it on the bottom as well. Like it has 2 right here for the back. because you could use this as a ponytail if you wanted to, because it's a half wig, it's not a full wig, it's a half, so it's intended for you to leave out some of your hair. It's up to you how much you decide to leave out, but yeah, it's not intended to kind of be like a full wig, so you couldn't put it at the perimeter of your hair, otherwise you'd definitely be able to see that fake line. Like, look at that, it's not the best. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, this is how it's weft. So that's quite cool. I normally tend to go in with some extra lines because the hair is quite thin, but I feel like they've changed the formula, so the hair is actually really thick. But I don't think I'm going to do it this time because it actually looks a lot fuller, like, than what it normally is. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it, especially because when it gets older, the volume does increase, but I'm going to cut it and shape it and everything like that. So there is no need for me to yeah, add any wefts in, but I will get rid of the combs like I said. But yeah, I'm just going to cut off this, I'm going to add my combs in, and then I'm going to come back and then just insert it. Okay guys, so I've now removed the combs that were attached to the perimeter, of the wig, so I've removed them. And now I'm just going to insert my own combs that I picked up. And these are the combs that I'm going to be using. Let me take them out of the packet. They were $1.99, so I bought 2. Okay guys, so this is what the comb actually looks like. It's this metal comb, and it's got like this fabric at the top where you can attach it to whatever you want to use it for. I feel like this slides in so much more easier into my hair. As you can see, it just like, and it holds quite nicely. So I just find it more comfortable than using this because I feel like this is just so much more tougher. So I'm going to attach 3 right along here, and then I'm going to attach 2 on the base, so that slides in quite easily. So that's now done, as you can see. So that's those 3 clips now in there. I'm just going to go ahead and do the other 2 at the bottom off camera, and I'm going to come back and then we're going to do my hair, we're going to put it on, and we're going to conclude this video. Okay? Okay, finally we're done. The back perimeter of the wig done, as well as the front, which I show you guys how I did. So that's all done. Okay, so now I'm going to prep my hair for this bad boy. And I'm going to show you guys what I do for that. So I'm going to put the wig to the side now. So first things first, yeah, my hair is feeling pretty dry. I'm actually just going to go add some water to this really quickly just to soften it up a little bit before I add products. So I'll be back in a sec. So I've actually added water to my hair. It's now white. As you can see, there's lots of products in my hair, so I'm just gonna damp it all out because it's a lot and it's literally dripping on me. But anyway, it feels so much more softer. I can actually feel my scalp. So yeah, it's actually even shrunk even further now. You guys know shrinkage is real. It really is. Look how it just moves so much more freely now that I just added water. Water is something else, isn't it? The miracle product we don't use enough of. Well, I don't use enough of anyway. Right, okay, so I'm just gonna, it looks so disproportionate. So I'm gonna go in with the Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Split End Blender. I don't know if I have split ends because I haven't really straightened my hair, but I normally use this just for the moisture. I spray that all across my hair. Yeah, so I've added that in, and I'm just gonna, like, again, massage that into my hair. I was watching a natural hair tutorial the other day, and someone was saying when, like, your hair's white, when you add water or products or something, your hair's not holding on to it because it's heavy. Your hair's not absorbing the products. So I don't know if that's true or not, but now I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, is anything going into my hair? Because my hair's always like this, like, legit. Anyway, now I'm gonna go in with the Cream of Natural Argan Oil hair cream for moisture and shine. I really love this product. Like, it's a thick cream base. I don't tend to use a lot, because a little goes a long way, so I'm just taking that much. And maybe it's this cream that makes my hair white, because it's quite a heavy product, so I don't know. Well, I don't know, but I like it. So now I'm just gonna dab it into my hair again. Okay, so that's done. I'm just gonna wipe my hands again. And then last but not least, I love to add oil to my hair, because I was watching again, someone said, you know, you should add water to your hair, like add liquids to your hair to kind of like moisturize it, and then use oil to kind of like lock in that moisture. I'm going in with this ORS hair repair coconut oil. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that into my hair and then again evenly distribute it across my miniature afro. And now I'm gonna go in with my wide tooth comb. You guys know about this stuff, yeah? And I'm gonna brush out my hair. So that's all combed out and shrunk, whatever. Anyway, we're gonna put the wig on now. I'm now gonna take this, I don't even know what you call this, but I remember I used to use this in high school a lot. Can't remember what you call it, but it's just like a, almost like a hair grip, I guess, just to kind of push your hair back. So I'm gonna insert this into my hair. Yeah, so now that's in. So now I'm just gonna push it back so it takes all my hair with it. My hair is literally shrunk. It looks like I have nothing on my head right now, right? Yeah, I want to be one of those people. Wait, let me see if I should stretch it. My god. Literally shrunk. Anyway, right, okay, so now that's done, we're gonna get this bad boy. I'm just gonna push the front in first. I'm just gonna line it with the comb. Oh, hold on. Hold it. Stretch it. Oh. I'm gonna insert it into the back. And guys, this is the final look. No, I'm joking. I'm gonna clip this up. Okay, so I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna pull out my hair. Ooh, what's going on there? No. Okay guys, so you just saw me try to get some of the leave out and I feel like I've literally just bruised my hairline because boy, that was a struggle and it normally shouldn't be. It normally isn't. And I don't know why it was this time. I think I pushed the comb, the initial comb that I inserted into my hair too far back, so it's not giving enough room for the hair to move out. So it's got further to pull because obviously it stretches your hair back, if you know what I mean, if that makes any sense, whatever. So that's that really. And then I'm gonna take this out now. Whoa. You can clearly see the difference with my hair and this here. But what I'm now gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna brush this and I'm gonna comb it out with this comb. And when I comb it out, it just gives it more of an afro-like texture. Looks more natural. Okay. Okay guys, so now that I've brushed it out, it does look a little bit more natural. This is how I like it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shape it. I'm just going to get my scissors and I'm just going to cut the hair. Well, I'm going to follow the shape that it's already got because I quite like the way it falls. I'm just going to make the pieces in the front a little bit shorter. But yeah, I think that's it really. There's not much else to really do. Yeah, okay guys. So, ta-da! This is the finished look. How y'all like it? I'm so glad I didn't add any extra layers because it would have been way too full. But yeah, this is the finished look. This is what the wig looks like once I've brushed it out, and I've obviously just cut a bit of the front just to frame my face a little more. Yeah, this is it. I hope you guys liked this video. Oh, one thing I will say is everything I've done, this wig, you could literally just take it out of the box and put it on and go, if that's, you know, if that's the type of curl you like, if that's the vibe you're going for, 100%. I just personally, just because of my texture of hair as well, but I feel like the older it gets, the more it blends in. So yeah, this is it. There's really not much else to say. I really like this hair. It does last me quite a while. Like, I'd say I probably wear this hair for about 2-3 months, even 4 months, not gonna lie, because the older it gets for me, the more I like it. So I just feel like it looks more natural. It resembles my natural hair in terms of the texture because it's a bit more rough. Yeah, but I'm really feeling myself right now. I'm looking at my laptop and I'm like, hey. I love it, right? I'm sorry, but for 20, oh yeah, I didn't even tell you how much it was. Let me, I have the receipt right here. For $19.99. You can't tell me this isn't thebomb.com, okay? Boo, you better get yourself some. Let me show you guys the back actually. I don't think I've shown you. Let's see what I'm gonna crop. crouch down. So this is what it looks like at the back. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's something different on my channel. But yeah, leave your thoughts and comments down below in the comment box below. Let me know if you liked this hair, if you liked this look. And yeah, if you have any questions, you always know you can hit me up in the comments box below, or just hit me up on social media. I'll put my socials, well, my Instagram on screen so you guys can contact me. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. If you like the hair, give it a thumbs up. If you are feeling the price of £19.99, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, if you guys recreate this look, yeah, let me know. Like, let me know if you purchase it. I'd like to see how you guys styled it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.